Good morning. Hello friends. I am Roop Kumar from Bhagalpur, Bihar. Today is the day of Ram Navami, and in this day our topic is sustainable development goals. Today I invite my guest lecturer to Mr. Kumar Mangalam, student of class 7, St. Teresa School. So first, I welcome Mr. Mangalam and I request to Mr. Mangalam to please on dash and give his speak to the topic of sustainable development goals and the occasion of Intellectual Property Day means World Property Day on 28 April 2024. So I invite to Mr. Kumar Mangalam.
Thank you, Mr. Roop, for inviting me. Then I will say you what is the main concept of this. In the last decades of 20th century, the awakening towards sustainable development emerged as a common concern in the global agenda. The Brundtland Report on Our Common Future forced the intellectuals to discuss over the issues of sustainable development. The development that meets the need of the present generation without compromising the needs of future one. Hence, the United Nations earmarked 17 goals to eradicate poverty, erase hunger, establish good health and well-being, provide quality education, enforce gender equality, improve clean water and sanitation, grow affordable and clean energy, create decent work and economic growth, increase industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequality, mobilize sustainable cities and communities, influence responsible conservation and production, organize climate action, develop life below water, advance on land, guarantee peace, justice and strong institution, build partnership for the goals. These 17 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are interdependent with action in one area affecting outcomes in others. Hence, the development policies and effort must focus on balanced socio-economic ecosystem for sustainability. Mere slogan cannot achieve the goals. It requires to have a concrete outcome through the creativity and innovation in terms of technology, awareness, creative thinking for better represent and brighter tomorrow. In this context, it would be our efforts to find out how intellectual property can remove the hurdles in the way to achieve the earmarked goals. How can the IP tools, copyright, patents, trademark, design, trade secrets, plants, variety and farmer rights, etc. can help in the achieving the sustainable goals for brighter future for everyone and everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kumar Mangalam, to share your valuable thought in day of Ram Navami. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mangalam.